Hey, so today was day 8 of trying to get into an Ivy League school. And today I got my AP Calculus AB test grade back. And the highest grade I could have gotten was a 90 because it was a reassessment. And that's exactly what I got. And I'm pretty proud of myself because I studied for a while, I prepared a lot, and I worked really hard for it. And this also means I get to keep a 4.0 unweighted GPA. But today I'm going to be talking about another one of the classes that I'm taking, AP World History. Now, AP World History is a pretty common class for sophomores in high school to take. So I'm going to be covering tips and tricks and advice I wish I knew before taking AP World. So the first thing is, when you're doing the homework, do not spend more than 1 hour on it. Depending on what it is, for us, the homework was mainly notes, but the notes, I used to spend 3 hours, maybe even 4 hours sometimes, just writing down unnecessary information that I didn't even need just to help me prepare for the test the next day. It did not work. I will tell you that right now. Just writing down a bunch of words won't do anything for you. What I would do, what I would recommend, is that you take one of the resources that your teacher gives you and just study that really well and jot down any important notes, definitions, events, things like that you could just remember in an instant. It shouldn't be copied word for word from a slideshow or anything like that. Now, another tip that I have is for the period exams, like the very big ones, those are 55 questions and stimulus-based multiple choice questions. What I would say is I would read the question first, see if you know the answer from there, and then use the actual stimulus to help with your reasoning. Because sometimes the stimulus can mess up what is actually the right answer just because it gets in your head and it's just messes with you a lot. And the third and final thing I wish I knew before taking AP World was that it's not that bad. When I first took the class, I went through it, I had no idea what I would expect, and then boom, 4 hours of homework every day. And then we'd have Socratics, and then we have pretty much projects due every single week, and tests, quizzes, everything. But realizing this now, it really isn't that bad. Once you get used to it, it's not as bad as you think it is. That's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 9. But tomorrow we actually have a snow day and no school. So we'll see what I do tomorrow to stay productive and stay on track to getting into an Ivy League school.